Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this wig, this cute shortcut wig. I honestly did not like the cut because I ended up cutting it a little bit too short. But guys, this is good if you need like a short, quick, cheap hairstyle for like a week or so, however long you guys keep it up. Styles like this, I only keep it up for like about a week or maybe 2 weeks at the most, but I feel like it was totally worth it because this was only a $30 look. Maybe a little bit over $30, maybe about 40, like if you're including like the products that I used to buy it. I mean that I also used to buy it, like the spritz and the hair glue that I used to make this wig, as far as the cap as well. And I also bought a scarf. But anyways, as you guys can see, I took off the closure of this wig. That wig that I'm showing you guys right now is an old wig made by Wigs by Ye. And that is Supernova hair. That is the same hair and the same person who made my last wig in that video that you guys see that I just uploaded, that 1 month review. But that is Supernova hair. So I just cut the closure off of my old wig. That wig is about over 5 months old. It's probably about 6-7 months old. So the closure is, you know, it's still wearable, but you know, it's not like fresh or anything like that. So you know, it has been through a lot. But anyways, this hair that I'm showing you right now is from the beauty supply store hair, and that is just some Empire hair. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of that somewhere in here, but yeah, that's just some beauty supply store hair, and it was only $30 at my local beauty supply store. It was 2 packs of 10 for $30, and she also was doing a 2-pack for 12 for $40. But anyways, I just went on and got the 10-inch, and I cut it a lot, y'all. It was kind of long for a 10-inch to me, but I did cut it, and it ended up being very, very short. But anyways, right now I'm just going to show you guys you know, how I flat ironed it, how I bring it back to life. This wig is about a few days old, but like I said, I just went in and I cut off that Supernova closure and glued it onto the cap, and then I went in with the Empire beauty supply store hair, and y'all, it blended so well. Like, I was surprised, but it blended very well. It might look a little bit different as far as the color, like the closure might be a little bit lighter, but I mean, other than that, you can't really tell once you like lay it down with some spritz and stuff like that and blend it in with your comb. You can barely tell. But right now I'm just sectioning off the hair, and I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and just give the hair a slight bump. Please, y'all are not supposed to put a harsh bump on blunt cuts. As you guys are going to be able to see, I just basically just flick my wrist as I'm flat ironing it. I'm going in with the Babyliss Pro flat irons. These are the ceramic plates, and I got these from Ulta for about 50 bucks, I think. But anyways, as you guys can see, I'm just flicking my wrist. I'm going to go in with my comb, and I'm just going to flip my wrist towards the end to give it that bump. And I'm literally, like, I'm barely bumping it. So I'm just gonna do that all throughout the video, all throughout the all over the head. Just bump it lightly. So right here, guys, I was just basically going and showing you guys how the method that I use to glue my hair, just in case you guys did not know, or just in case you guys were wondering why the glue isn't staying. The key to it is spritz. And that's if you're getting a glue-in, that's if you're doing a wig, if you're getting a quick weave or anything. Putting the spritz on there is gonna make it hold. And that's another thing. When I was like, back in high school in ninth grade, when I was trying to like just like put little tracks in my head, if I didn't want it to bang or anything like that, I was wondering why it wasn't sticking, and it was because I wasn't using spritz. It's not gonna hold without the spritz. So that is something that I would recommend for you guys to use, is spritz and then glue it. And that is the method that I used for this. Okay, now guys, I'm just going in and I'm spraying some spritz because I'm done flat ironing the pack hair, and I'm just spraying a little spritz and just to make sure everything is nice and flat. Now I'm gonna go in and work on my closure, and I'm just parting off my closure, and I'm gonna go in and spray some spritz with that, and then just flat iron that so that it all blends well. And I'm gonna do that to both sides of my closure. Guys, watch how well this blends when I like finish combing it out. Just watch. Okay guys, so after waiting about 10 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and untie the scarf. Lift that up. And now we're just going to go in and look at the wig and just comb it down to smooth everything out. And that is the final review of this wig. I might put it on in a new video, I don't know, but so at that point I just started talking crazy, but that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right now I'm just showing you guys like what I do to like fix the look of the closure, because like I said, it has been through a lot. So I just go in and I just color on the hairs with some of my dark brown eyebrow pencil, and then I just go in with a little bit of light concealer all throughout the part, and that's it. Peace, y'all. See y'all in my next video. Bye.